Now it's time to cure the ink. Most ink cures at about 320 degrees and typically takes 30 to 60 seconds to cure. Water-based is a little different because all that water has to evaporate out of the ink, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Today we're going to be using a flash dryer for curing. In order to cure on press, you want to release the shirt from the platen so the heat can penetrate the entire garment. A flash dryer is a heating element that rotates over your platen. This can be used for stacking colors together or for curing for smaller shop setups. Right here we have a temperature gun that measures the surface of the ink to ensure it's reaching curing temperature. I take the flash dryer 2 to 4 inches above the shirt and then measure underneath. As you can see, we're already reaching 380 degrees. That's a good temperature for curing, so we count to about 30 seconds and it should be good. For water-based, you might see some steam coming off the shirt which looks like smoke. It's just the water evaporating out. Once we've reached our curing time, our ink should be good to go. You definitely want to feel it, make sure it's dry. You can even take your baby wipe and rub it, make sure nothing comes off on it. The best way to tell if an ink is cured all the way is to wash it. Make sure you document your parameters so that once you know your curing time, you do it every single time after that. You also want to make sure there's not a lot of air movement underneath your flash dryer, which can change your curing parameters. For our final print, we want to move all the ink to the bottom of the screen. This allows us to easily clean it up. Water-based is nice because it's easy to clean up with water. Get as much back into the bucket as you possibly can, and that saves time and money later. You can see how easy this ink is to clean up using simple water and small amount of soap solution. All of our ink's back in. It's time to move on to the next job.